Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 panel is not responding at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises from a faulty connection or a failure within the internal components. If left unresolved, this can lead to further complications, preventing you from using your device effectively. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement connection cable if necessary. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the Thermomix TM31 upside down and locate the screw securing the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and gently lift the base cover off. Take care not to force it, as there are clips that may hold it in place. Next, you'll need to identify the control panel connection. Look for a ribbon cable that connects the panel to the main board. If this cable appears loose or damaged, gently disconnect it using your tweezers. Inspect it closely to determine if a replacement is necessary. When disconnecting the cable, take extra care to avoid damaging any nearby components. If you need to replace the cable, simply attach the new one by aligning it with the connector and pressing it firmly into place. Once everything is securely reconnected, place the base cover back on, ensuring all clips are aligned, and replace the screws, tightening them carefully but not over-tightening to prevent stripping. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your Thermomix is kept in a dry environment and avoid exposing it to excessive moisture. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch any potential problems early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.